Hello beautiful devs, welcome back. In this video we will learn about black hat SEO and white hat SEO. So black hat SEO and white hat SEO are actually the techniques. The bad ways for getting SEO ranking is called the black hat SEO, and the best ways to get traffic or optimize SEO is called white hat SEO. So let's learn what is actually the black hat SEO and how we can actually become a culprit of black hat SEO. So the first thing is keywords stuffing or low quality content. So first of all, the low quality content means that you can for example create a simple low quality content. You can just copy and paste some stuff from other websites, and then you focus some words. For example, earn money online is a word, is a keyword, and you use that word in your post again and again and again and again to target that keyword. So definitely for a small time Google will rank your that article, but when Google will found you culprit, then your article will be just invisible from the search. Similarly, spamming blogs with backlinks is also a bad practice, and it is also a black hat SEO technique. So it means that backlinks are actually the most important factor to get higher ranking in search, and it's a very important section of the SEO, backlinking. But if you will backlink your blog on different spamming websites or any other irrelevant websites, and then you just try to get backlinks and a lot of traffic, then your website page authority and website's authority will decrease instantly by using that techniques. After that, we have one another factor, which is steal and repost other articles. So from different websites, for example, you can just copy the article, and then as it is you post your that article to your website. It is also a bad technique, and it lies under bad hat SEO. And with these techniques you can get traffic for the short term, but finally when Google will find you culprit, they will ban your website. So these are the techniques which are not actually recommended. So you should follow the techniques which lies under white hat SEO. So now we will learn what is the white hat SEO technique. So first of all, creating high quality information or high quality content to your website. So if you will create your own content and high quality information, if you will provide to your visitors, they will stay on your website, they will read your articles, they will watch your content, and in response your website authority will increase gradually. Also using relevant keywords, your article is related to something else, and you will post target that article with irrelevant keywords. It's not recommended. So you should target your audience with the relevant keywords. So you should use the techniques to create a quality content, and then your keywords should relate to that content. One another way of getting visitors is guest posting, or you can say networking. So for example, you should go to different blog sites which provide the visitors to post their articles on that websites, and you should post different blogs, articles to that websites, and in response to your website, they will come and they will post their posts and articles, and in this way both websites, you will give some traffic to that website and they will give you traffic to your website as well. So one another way of getting visitors is answering posts with values on blogs. So on the post, usually people can comment something, and you should reply to that comments, and that is also a very important factor for engaging the visitors, and in this way you can increase your page authority, website authority, and in the result your overall search engine optimization. So next video will move further. Goodbye.